Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024. Well, we are starting to warm up very slowly, and there's a concern with that. Yes, there is snow on the ground, and that is why it is a concern because as we get this warm air invading, we're going to see the threat for some sleet and freezing rain farther north, which we're already starting to see here in north central Pennsylvania. And also, with all this warm air moving over a melting snowpack, that opens up the potential for some locally dense fog. Now, it probably won't be widespread, but there will be spots, especially around the I 95 corridor, around the Philadelphia metro, and of course, over the northern interior. As this warm air invades, and we're talking about temperatures by the time we get to Thursday morning in the 40s with a steadily melting snowpack and a ground that is gradually warming and thawing, that opens up the potential for some areas of dense fog, especially during the morning rush hours for Thursday and Friday. So it's something that we really have to keep an eye on and monitor as we move forward over the next couple of days as our snowpack melts because our temperatures are going to be well above freezing. Now, currently, we have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s in your suburbs, mid 30s in many of your urban areas and along the immediate coast, with light and variable winds. We have a warm front that is approaching the region. Out ahead of it, you might notice this precipitation's well ahead of this frontal boundary. Well, what's that? Well, basically, what's happening is our warm front's trying to catch up, and our mid-level warm front at 850 millibars is well out ahead of it. So you have this precipitation, what we call frontogenesis. So this is producing periods of precipitation, very light right now, and we're going to have to watch. A lot of this is not reaching the ground here, but back here, we're going to have to watch out the potential for some sleet and freezing rain for the Poconos, the Catskills, extreme northern New Jersey, but especially the Hudson River Valley and central and northern Connecticut, as this warm air surges northward and the cold air gradually gives way. Now, we take a look at the infrared satellite picture. You can see plenty of activity with our subtropical jet stream. Our patterns changing in such that a ridge is starting to build around the southeast coast, and that's going to send our storm track from the Gulf of Mexico up towards the Great Lakes, and it's going to send plenty of warm air up our way, and along with it, precipitation. So for today on through early tomorrow morning, we're going to be dealing with some areas of sleet and freezing rain for our northern interior, far north. We're talking about a little bit of snow, 1 to 3 inches, not a lot. But the real concern here is the sleet and freezing rain, especially the freezing rain. Doesn't take much to cause some problems, and we're looking at a trace to a tenth of an inch in these locations. No snow here, but certainly some ice potential. Some snow and sleet here, maybe trace to an inch. More snow up here where the cold air is deeper. But eventually, everyone changes over to rain. But before that happens, we got to watch out for some slick roadways, especially for the evening rush hour and tomorrow morning's rush hour. Further south, this is all just rain, just a few showers here and there. Not a big deal yet, but we'll continue to keep an eye for more storms on the way for more rainfall as we move on through the rest of this week. So let's talk about that. So for today, our warm front lifts towards the region. We'll have variable cloud cover, periods of showers along the coast, a wintry mix of snow, sleet, freezing rain, changing over to rain over the interior as we discussed. Temperatures will rise into the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior towards midnight, upper 30s to mid 40s along the coast. Again, some of that is influenced by the snowpack, where you have 5, 6 inches of snow on the ground, although it's gradually melting. That will keep our temperatures a bit cooler in some of those locations. For tonight into tomorrow morning, that wintry mix changes over to rain. We have scattered showers along the coast, with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s closer to midnight and then rising steadily for the rest of the morning. By the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover with high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 40s throughout the region. And this is where we start to enter that area where we could see some locally dense fog. So we're going to have to watch that very, very carefully, especially as you head towards the Wednesday evening rush hour. Now, on Thursday, Periods of showers can be expected with some locally dense fog. Low temperatures on Thursday will be in the lower to mid 40s, so everyone's melting at this point. By Thursday afternoon, showers continue with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s on the immediate coast, and mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, another area of low pressure will move through the region. We'll move to the north of the region. We'll get a warm front and a cold front, and that means periods of showers continuing through the early morning hours and then gradually clearing towards the afternoon. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, mid 40s to lower 50s along the coast, and mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley. We kind of get that warm spike. By the afternoon hours, we're looking at high temperatures in the upper 40s to mid 50s over the northern interior and upper 50s to mid 60s along the coast. We get a little bit of sun clearing. It may get close to 70 degrees in parts of, let's say, southwest New Jersey, locations south of Philadelphia, maybe northern Delaware, locations like that. It will get really warm, but it won't last long. On Saturday, we have high pressure and control with scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. On Sunday, periods of rain, heavy at times. Look for this rain to possibly produce some areas of localized flash flooding and urban flooding. So, what you might want to do on your street, if there's any clogged drains, get them unclogged, move any debris out of those drains, because that is going to be an issue when it comes to first the snow melting and then the rain coming with that. So we're going to have to watch that very carefully on Sunday. Temperatures on Sunday will not be moving all that much. Look for mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. On Monday, the storm leaves. We have some lingering rain and snow showers, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Look for low temperatures to be rather chilly in the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to mid 30s along the coast, and high temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior and lower to mid 30s in the New York City metro, mid to upper 30s in the Philadelphia metro. On Tuesday, high pressure will pass over the region with scattered cloud cover. Again, another chilly day, but this cold air mass is not going to last long, but it is going to have a nice little punch to it, with low temperatures ranging from the single digits to mid-teens and high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s. That's your forecast for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.